Norway is a country that, just 50 years ago, was considered one of the poorest nations in Europe. Today, it is recognized as one of the richest and happiest countries in the world. Located in the western part of Scandinavia in northern Europe, Norway is a Nordic country where, in some regions, the sun does not set for 6 months and does not rise for the next 6 months. This extraordinary natural phenomenon is the result of Norway's geographical location. Because much of the country lies within the Arctic Circle, it experiences the magical phenomenon known as the midnight sun and the polar night. From May to July, daylight lasts 24 hours a day, while from November to January, darkness dominates almost all day. Norway covers an area of 385,207 square kilometers, making it about 2.5 times larger than Bangladesh. Surprisingly, despite its vast size, the country has a very small population. According to data from January 2022, Norway's population was around 5.4 to 5 million, which is even smaller than the population of Dhaka city. This means there are only about 16.5 people per square kilometer, making Norway the second least densely populated country in Europe. Thanks to this low population density, nature has been able to flourish almost untouched for thousands of years. One of Norway's most fascinating features is its unique shape. The country resembles a long, narrow snake stretching approximately 2,500 kilometers from north to south. To the east lies Sweden, sharing a 1,619-kilometer border with Norway. The border is so remarkably straight that it appears to have been drawn with a ruler. However, Norway's true beauty lies along its coastline. Stretching nearly 25,000 kilometers, it is considered one of the most spectacular coastlines on Earth. It is home to thousands of fjords, deep valleys carved by massive glaciers millions of years ago and later filled with seawater. Norway's climate is another remarkable mystery. Despite its northern location, it enjoys a much milder climate than other places at the same latitude, such as Siberia or Alaska. The country's landscape is incredibly diverse. Around 37% of Norway is covered by mountains, with the Scandinavian mountains forming the country's backbone from north to south. Among these mountains and glaciers are countless rivers and lakes. Norway generates approximately 96% of its electricity from hydropower, making it one of the world's cleanest energy producers. About 38% of Norway is covered by forests. These boreal forests are dominated by spruce, pine, and birch trees that remain green even in temperatures as low as 50 C. The wood from these hardy trees is exceptionally strong and is used to produce some of the world's finest furniture. Norway's coastal waters are home to giant whales, orcas, seals, and countless species of fish. How did people living in such a harsh, frozen environment become one of the happiest nations on Earth? The answer lies partly in a unique Norwegian philosophy called the law of janteloven. Its basic principle is that no one should think they are more important than anyone else. Because of this mindset, the salary gap between a company CEO and a cleaner is far smaller than in many other Western countries. This spirit of equality has helped build Norway's remarkable welfare state. After a child is born, parents receive 46 weeks of fully paid parental leave, including 15 weeks of mandatory paid leave for fathers. This encourages fathers to share childcare responsibilities equally with mothers, making Norway one of the world's leading countries in gender equality. Norwegians also have a deep spiritual connection with nature. Their law includes the right to roam menstruance, which allows everyone to walk, camp, and spend the night in natural areas free of charge even on privately owned land as long as they do not damage nature. Norwegians are also well known for their honesty and openness. Although around 68% of the population is officially registered as Christian, only about 2% attend church regularly. They strongly believe that religion is a personal matter, allowing people of Islam, Hinduism, Judaism, Buddhism, and many other faiths to live together with equal respect. December 1969 became a turning point in Norwegian history when vast oil reserves were discovered beneath the North Sea. Only 50 years ago, many Norwegians survived by fishing and cutting timber. Today, Norway's GDP per capita stands at around $73,450, approximately 26 times higher than Bangladesh's. Perhaps Norway's smartest decision was how it managed its oil wealth. Instead of spending oil revenues immediately, the government invested the money in the government pension fund Global. Today, the fund is worth around $1.7 trillion, making it the largest sovereign wealth fund in the world. Through this fund, Norway has invested in more than 9,000 companies worldwide, including technology giants such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Because of these extraordinary natural advantages, wise economic policies, and strong social values, Norway is now regarded as one of the most livable, happiest, and most prosperous countries in the world. If you found this video informative, please share it with others.